In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Finviz Pattern Recognition. We'll start right in your web browser. Type in finviz.com/screener-x and hit Enter to open the Finviz screener. This is the hub where you can filter the stock market using all kinds of criteria, and today we'll focus specifically on chart patterns. When the page loads, look toward the top for the tabs that organize the filters. Click the All tab. This view puts every filter category on a single page, which makes it easier to see everything at once and keeps you from jumping back and forth between sections. Next, scan down the list of filters until you find the one labeled Pattern. It's grouped with the other technical filters. Click the Pattern drop-down to reveal the built-in chart setups that Finviz can screen for automatically. Finviz looks across its database and tags symbols that match classic technical formations, saving you time compared to manually checking one chart at a time. Now pick the type of pattern you want to find. If you choose channel, you're looking for prices moving between two parallel trend lines, often useful for identifying potential breakout or bounce zones. Triangle highlights contracting price action, where support and resistance converge, commonly watched for breakout continuation or reversals. Double top or double bottom flags. Potential turning points after two failed attempts in the same direction, suggesting exhaustion of the prior trend. Head and shoulders marks a well-known reversal structure with a left shoulder, a higher head, and a right shoulder, with the neckline acting as the key confirmation area. Select the one that matches your trading plan or the setup you want to study. As soon as you make a choice, the results table below will refresh to show stocks that match that pattern. Take a moment to review the list and get a sense of what's populating. You'll see tickers along with useful context like price and daily change, which helps you decide which charts you want to inspect more closely. Remember, these are algorithmic matches, so think of them as a starting point, not a guarantee that the pattern is perfect. When a ticker catches your eye, click it to open the full chart page. This is where you confirm the pattern visually. Look at how cleanly the price respects the boundaries of the formation, whether the structure is recent or stale, and if there's supportive context like rising or falling momentum. If the pattern looks sloppy or forced, simply back out and check another symbol from the list. Use this confirm then decide approach to stay consistent and avoid overfitting. That's all there is to it. Open the screener, show all filters, choose a pattern, review the matches, and verify on the chart before taking any next steps.